Swimming. A little shower in
Nakhon Phanom.
Nakhon Phanom, I say so. There's our shower queen. Hello, shower queen. And there is a shower outside.
At least we can clean our car.
There's the Mekong, as you can see. There are the mountains from Laos and everything. There's a small shower. Oh, they have night market. You want to go night market? Why not? Night market on a Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, right?
Today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday. Shower queen, hello. You're so dark. Why is so dark?
I'm dark,
Not you dark. The picture is dark.
but I think your camp is very clear.
This is clear. I told you the screen is nice.
You see outside, I cannot see anything, but your phone can see it.
Oh, drive through the phone.
I think it's clear, nah?
Yeah, but it's only for the screen, because as I told you, I'm surprised how good the screen is for this cheap phone.
4,000 baht, right?
Something around here. It's really nice.
Yeah.
There's an old lady.
I think you should review more of this food.
Oh, I was close when 2 weeks ago AliExpress had some discount weeks, and they had Realme, I think it was, the Realme phone in a beautiful green color with I think 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM for 120 euros. I was close to buy it because for the price, the technical specification, and those beautiful green color, I was close, but I resisted and did not buy it.
Why not?
Better to have 120 baht for a house and be with you than buy another phone I don't need.
That's good. When I look from the screen now, it's not even outside. You cannot see anything.
You can see here, you cannot see it, but look there, there's the water.
Yeah.
Well, I think you can see it good too. No. Oh look, there's a person, don't kill it. I think that they should LED lighten the umbrellas to see the people more easy. So you can decide better which one you want to hit.
No need to hit anyone.
Oh. Look how easy this girl would be to see if she would be lightened up with the umbrella.
Eat already. Yeah. Just play with him for short. But he not let me to eat it.
Why not? Because this one has a wide angle cam. There's 3 cams, and I wanted to film with the wide angle cam, but maybe it cannot do it.
See the kid, I don't know.
Focus well.
What?
What did you for the lightning? Not. Don't like the lightning.
You here with me. No need to be scared.
Need, you know. Don't kill the people, please. Lightning. It's close. Don't like it. You want to take a shower now? Not a good idea. Are you outside here now? Not a good idea.
No one sit outside.
Yeah, but it would be cool. Wouldn't there be not lightning set up like lightnings?
ปักใช่ไหม
Yes. You don't kill anyone. Stop. Temple. Moment. Hey, hello. And you're waiting for food. All on discount.
What is this?
Burger.
Is what sauce? I cannot read it.
Cheeseburger.
No.
Yes.
It's cheese.
Really? Then you got the wrong one. We wanted the cheeseburger. Bye bye.
Bye bye.